What is lead generation? This is one question that has occupied the minds of entrepreneurs and marketers alike since the beginning of time. Lead generation is the process of gathering information from people who are interested in your products or services, so that you can provide them with more information about what you have to offer and eventually make sales. Today, you need not be a marketer or a salesman to achieve this goal. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about what is lead generation explained for beginners. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Businesses that do not generate leads on their own can hire professionals who will do this for them. In today's world, it is not enough to have the ability to write the best copy in the world, produce amazing presentations, or build websites. All of these things are important, but without a strong list of qualified leads, your business will suffer. Without leads, your list of clients will become thin and eventually fail. As mentioned earlier, there are a variety of ways to generate leads. Some are easier than others and some are more costly than others. For most beginners, the process of learning what is lead generation is the most difficult part. The reason why is because there are so many different terms and jargon that it can be hard to understand what is needed to achieve the results you desire. Luckily, there are some basic resources available that will be able to provide you with the information you need to get started. There are several types of leads including pay-per-click, referral, residual, email, and phone leads. Knowing which method to choose will depend upon the type of business you have as well as the kind of consumer you serve. Pay-per-click is generally used by online businesses to market their products or services to new customers that are located in a specific zip code or area. This is a great way to find new customers and expand an existing client base. Referrals come in all shapes and sizes and can be very beneficial. A simple cold call can yield tremendous results when it comes to getting the information you need. Other methods such as purchasing a list of mailing lists or signing up for distribution lists can help generate leads as well. Any type of lead generation requires an adequate amount of information in order to generate accurate results. One of the easiest ways to learn what is lead generation is to do research. Beginners should spend a significant amount of time doing research on the internet. The internet contains a plethora of information that relates to the industry the person is in. It can often be found for free and can provide invaluable insight into what is lead generation. In addition, experts can often offer advice on a variety of subjects that will provide you with even more information. Once you have done your research, it is important to understand your options. Depending upon what is currently happening in your market, there are many different options available. For example, if you currently sell information or services online, you may want to consider creating an e-store. This allows you to reach a larger audience and to make your products easily accessible to consumers. There is much to know about what is lead generation explained for beginners. Learning as much as possible is crucial. You need to make sure that you are knowledgeable about the industry you are involved in. This will ensure that your clients are satisfied with your services. When you understand how to put a product on the market, you can begin to reap the benefits of a steady business. Thanks for watching my video about what is lead generation explained for beginners. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.